Hello everybody, now I've got to come back here to do the rest of this movie, this part 2 of this video I should say. I had the phone ring and I was... Okay, so I'm going through all these beautiful, beautiful pieces. Look at this that Virginia sent me. Isn't that nice? Look at it. Oh, wow. And this one, this is part 2, so if you want to have a look at the rest of them, go and see the other part. Oh dear, I love this. Oh, look at the colour. Yeah. And if anybody can hear a purr noise, that's because there's this giant red cat sitting on my lap here that can't possibly leave me in peace today for some reason. Look at the colour in this, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, he just wants to be near me today. Usually I can't, he's not that friendly, but he is today. Yeah, he knows I'm talking to somebody. He's a bit jealous, I think. Look at that, isn't this nice? Thank you so much. Oh, look at all these beautiful things. Oh, Virginia, thank you so much for this. It's so very lovely of you to send me these beautiful pieces. Look at that. It's raised up. I love the colour. Isn't it a beautiful colour? I just went straight past this one, which is... I did see it, I swear. Look at him, isn't it nice? You might be able to see it against that table there. I'm hoping this video is showing up properly so you can see what's on here. Look at that. Oh, isn't this beautiful? There's enough here to make a gypsy book, the whole thing with the amount of stuff she said. Oh, look at this one. Oh dear, I love these sort. Oh, these open weave ones. You probably realise that now, wouldn't you? Look at that, isn't that lovely? There's a texture on that and got gold going through it. Just beautiful. There's another piece. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's got fluffiness. It's got little fluffy bits on the end of the flower. Look at that, isn't that neat? Oh, I do like that. That's a nice piece of silky material, that is. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, and this one? Oh, look at this. Wow. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that colour. Oh, that's just a colour. That's just a good colour, that one. Look at this. It's like all these pieces of material all sort of sewn onto it afterwards. Isn't that neat? Afterwards, well, as it goes along anyway. Oh, here's another piece of this silky. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Oh, thank you so very, very much. It's so beautiful, all this lovely stuff, and I got a nice piece of velvet. Oh, look at the colour of this. I do love the colour of this. The pincushion's this colour, I think. Pretty close. Got a pincushion that's only that colour. And look at these pretty things here. Oh, look. What I've got. Look at this. Oh, wow. Thank you. This is a big earring, isn't it? Isn't it cool? This is going to look... Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. It's really nice in a button. Another earring. Oh, just the sort of things from my gypsy. Look at this little trim. Oh, I do love that little trim. Oh, where did you get that little trim from? Oh, geez, that's cool. I do love that. And these ones? These are just the thing. I'm sorry if I'm not talking very good. I've been... I've been really sick in the last few days, actually, so I'm not really 100% either. I'm on antibiotics now, so I'll be better, and I'll be fixing my room, and I'll be back here, and I'll be showing people's things, and we'll be working together, okay? We'll be doing back things on YouTube, alright? I've just got to get better. It's my own fault for not fixing myself sooner. If I went into the doctor sooner, this is not have been going on for so long, but I don't know, I just get this thing where I must be better now, and I just don't worry, and I should worry. Anyway, so there's a cat here. Thank you so much, Virginia. I really love all this beautiful stuff, darling. It's very kind of you to send this to me. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And anyway, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.